we replace this exhaust system to make a one-off 6-into-1 exhaust. Cutting, welding and polishing it, resulting in a great sound. Enjoy my latest CBX1000 video. Welcome to ABCD Videos. My bike had a handcrafted, one-off exhaust, but bulky dampers and a too high seat. So, let's make a new exhaust clearing that massive tire. First, purchase some solid headers and cut of the rotting damper. Then fit the exhaust and mock up the shape in plastic. Then it is time to move to metal. Stainless steel tube is purchased and cut to the required length. Subscribe to see more CBX videos. Test fitting it with tape and tie wraps. Before welding it all together. Wish I could weld like this. Heat marks are removed by using an acid solution before giving it a first rough polish. Detailed polishing is done in 4 steps. First, rough patches are removed. The angle grinder is perfect for this. Then a rough polishing disc is formed, giving a solid base polish. Buffing paste is applied to the wheel. And the exhaust is polished. Can't wait to hear the first startup. A fine disc is used for the finishing touch. To finalize the polishing process. And polishing the headers while accessible. Before starting the header puzzle. Matching pipe numbers to the collector. Then the sometimes annoying assembly. Please subscribe to support the channel. With a bit of persistence we managed. Almost time for a test run. Very pleased with the end result. Now let's check the sound. Clearing the 300mm wide tire. Find more CBX videos on my channel. More videos will follow